Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I want to share with you a quick DTF trick to salvage a DTF print. Without wasting any time guys, this is the problem. We're having some backsplash around the logo itself. It's very hard to tell on the camera, but as you can maybe see, if I can zoom properly, as you can see, there's lots of white spots around our actual logo. This is not in the original artwork. Now currently we are having major issues. One of our DTF printers, the print head, is not functioning properly and it's a brand new print head. So right now our capacity is down to one printer and we have around 50 DTF sheets to ship by tomorrow. So basically guys, what you want to do is take a surface like this. This is the other end of a tweezer, just to give you guys an example, and you simply want to scratch off the excess like so, and you can use your finger to remove anything else. You do like this, and I'll do this until I'm finished and I'll show you guys the finished result. Guys, also before we continue, make sure the DTF sheet has been baked. This will only work if the DTF sheet has been properly baked, so you can actually go and, you know, remove everything that's been baked, but it's not in the original logo itself. So like I said, I'm just gonna do this really quickly and report back to you guys and show you the finished result. So this is the result after. There's no more white lines around our logo, and we're ready to actually cut this up and put it in the packaging. Guys, this was a really quick video, but it's always nice to report back to you guys and give you daily tips and tricks on the DTF printing experience to make your life a little bit easier. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments down below if you like these quick videos, just giving you guys a quick trick. It's especially useful when I'm doing something and I realize, hey, this could be helpful. Thanks again for watching guys. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.